Affiliate marketing in perspective. What is affiliate marketing on the Internet? It is a derivative of web marketing where one is paid for every customer or sale provided by him. Affiliate marketing is a standard aspect in the majority of online marketing methods. Affiliate marketing includes the usage of affiliate management business, in-house affiliate managers, and third celebration suppliers, who utilize email marketing, search engine marketing RRS capturing, and display advertising, to ensure the success of the item. Web traffic, being critical to online marketing, can be traced with the help of a third celebration or own affiliate programs. At the exact same time, affiliate marketing has also increased the competition in marketing. Such pressure caused the introduction of outsourced programs. These services are offered by companies with professional affiliate and network program supervisors, who have numerous affiliate program management techniques. In addition, these affiliate networks also have associations with publishers to help them with the marketing element. When did affiliate marketing begin? Shortly, a woman approached Amazon with a similar marketing technique. The lady would offer Amazon's books on her site and she would be paid a certain percentage in return if she sold Amazon's books through her site. Affiliate networks began to gain appeal and have been adopted by different organizations, such as travel, education, telecom, retail, and membership sites, among others. On the other hand, for CPS and CPA, the visitor has to purchase and click the link something or sign up for some services, which proves that he is among the target audience before the affiliate is paid. Affiliate marketing is likewise known as efficiency marketing because the success of the product truly depends on the performance of the affiliate. It is the job of an affiliate team to generate traffic, and it is the job of the sales team to follow on from there, to influence the visitor to purchase the product. Affiliate marketing is extremely reliable and lots of businesses have shared and associated their successes with this technique of marketing. Affiliate marketing is a basic element in most internet marketing techniques. Affiliate marketing involves the use of affiliate management companies, internal affiliate supervisors, and third-party suppliers, who use email marketing, search engine marketing RRS capturing, and display advertising, to guarantee the success of the product. At the same time, affiliate marketing has likewise increased the number of competitors in marketing. These services are used by businesses with specialist affiliate and network program supervisors, who have numerous affiliate program management techniques. Affiliate marketing is also known as efficiency marketing because the success of the product truly depends on the efficiency of the affiliate. Thank you for looking at my video. Ian Jackson.